Good morning, students. In ionic equilibrium, next one I am going to explain salt hydrolysis. We know types of salts. Salts are three types: acidic salt, basic salt, and neutral salts, and normal salts. There are four types. The salts which can donate the H plus ions is called as acidic salt. The salt which can donate the OH minus is called basic salt. The salt which cannot donate H plus ion or OH minus ions is called neutral salts. Now, these salts are on hydrolysis. They have four types. That is, we can write as first one is the salt of strong acid and strong base. Salt of strong acid and strong base. Now in this case, the nature of solution is that is neutral. Now hydrolysis constant, that is a KH, we can write as hydrolysis constant, we can use a KH. Now degree of hydrolysis is also, we can write the H. Now the pH at 25 degrees Celsius is 7. For the salt of strong acid and salt of strong base, the nature of solution is neutral. Hydrolysis constant KH, degree of hydrolysis H. Now it is a pH is 7. Now second type, it is a salt of weak acid and strong base. Now here the nature of the solution is basic and ionic hydrolysis. Now the hydrolysis constant that is KH is equal KW by Ka. Next one, that is a now degree of the pH is pH at 25 degrees Celsius. This is, we can write as 7 plus pH is equal, we can write 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa plus 1 by 2, that is log C. This is a formula we can use for the calculation. Very, very important. Now the third one, that is we can write as that is a third one, that is we can write as salt of weak base and strong acid. Weak base and strong acid. Now in this case, the nature of solution is acidic cationic hydrolysis. cationic hydrolysis. And now hydrolysis constant that is KH is equal to KW by KV. Next one, degree of hydrolysis. That is H is equal to square root of KH by C. Now we can write as that is a pH at 25 degrees Celsius. The formula is, now we can write as pH is equal to 7 minus 1 by 2 pKb plus, that is also minus 1 by 2, that is a log C. This is the formula we can use. And the last fourth one, that is we can write as the salt of weak base and weak acid. Now that is the nature of solution is the maybe acidic or basic or neutral. It may be anionic or cationic hydrolysis. As may be an ionic hydrolysis or cationic hydrolysis. Now the hydrolysis constant that is KH is equal to KW by Ka into Kb. Now that is we can write the degree of hydrolysis. That we can write as H is equal to square root of KH. Now your formula is at 25 degrees pH is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 pK minus 1 by 2 pKb. This is a formula for the hydrolysis of weak acid and weak base. I wrote pH does not noted all the concentrations. Okay, next concept, that is buffer solutions. Now buffer solutions are there two types, acidic buffer solution and basic buffer solutions. Now the first one is acidic buffer solutions. The mixture of weak acid and its salt of strong base is known as acidic buffer solution. Mixture of weak acid and its salt strong base is known as acidic buffer solutions. Now examples, that is CH3 COOH plus CH3 COONA. Now the formula by calculation of the pH formula, pH calculation of acidic buffer solution, pKa plus log salt by acid. This is the formula for the acidic buffer. Similarly, basic buffer solutions. What does it mean by basic buffer solutions? The mixture of weak base and its salts of strong acid are known as basic buffer solution. Example that is NH4OH plus the NH4Cl. Now the pH value we can calculate for this one. There is a pOH, basic pOH value we can calculate. There is a pKb plus log salt of it is a base. This is the formula for we can use. The one more formula we can use, that is the third one, is buffer capacity. Buffer capacity, that is buffer capacity. We can use the formula, that's formula we can write as number of moles of acid or base added to the liter of solution by change in pH value is known as buffer solutions. The next concept, common ion effect. Now what does it mean by common ion effect? The decrease in dissociation of weak electrolyte by the addition of strong electrolyte having ions. These ions are having common in that electrolyte is known as common ion effect. Now based on this one, the solubility of the salts we can measurement. In this one, first one, the soluble salt, the solubility is 0.1 mmolar. Now complete solubility, this is slightly solubility. The second one is slightly soluble salt. This is the solubility is 0.01 molar less than the 0.01 that between 0.1, that is the solubility. Third type is sparingly solubility, very less solubility, that is sparingly soluble salts, that is a greater than 0.01 m of solubility. Now based on this one we can calculate the given the statement based on the solubility product, that is the given the solubility product. If the product of molar concentration of its ions its saturated solution, the electrolyte, is known as solubility product. Now in this case we can write solubility product S is equal to solubility is equal to square root of x plus y Ksp by x power x y power y. Otherwise we can write as Ksp is equal to x power x into y power y s power x plus y. This is also we can use the formula for solubility product. It is a solubility. It is for the formula of solubility. It is a formula for solubility product. And there is one more formula, ionic product. The last one, that is ionic product. That is a Qsp is equal to, that is the percentage of ion, that is you can write as initial concentration minus remaining concentration by initial concentration into your 100. It is the formula also we can use.